Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return through HDFC Netbanking. First, ensure you have all necessary documents ready, such as your Form 16 and bank statements. This easy method helps you complete your tax filing quickly and accurately, directly from your home. We will guide you through each step, making the process straightforward and stress-free. Get ready to simplify your tax obligations. Before you begin, gather essential documents like your Form 16, bank statements, and any investment proofs. Also, keep your permanent account number card and Aadhaar card handy. Double-check all your income sources and eligible deductions to ensure everything is accurate. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and error-free tax filing experience. Taking a few minutes now saves much time later. Once logged into HDFC Netbanking, find the Tax or E-Filing section. Select the appropriate assessment year for your return. You will then be guided to the Income Tax portal. Carefully enter all your income details, including salary, other income, and any capital gains. Remember to claim all eligible deductions to reduce your taxable income effectively. Follow the on-screen instructions precisely. After entering all your information, thoroughly review your entire tax return for any potential errors or omissions. Once satisfied, submit your return. The final crucial step is to complete the e-verification, which can often be done using your Aadhaar one-time password or net banking. Finally, download and save your acknowledgement receipt for future reference. Congratulations, you have successfully filed your taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.